In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Monday.com. Managing your contacts efficiently is crucial for any business or project, and Monday.com provides a streamlined way to do this using its powerful board system and pre-built templates. We'll walk through the process of setting up a dedicated contacts board, making it easy for you to keep all your client, partner, or team member information organized and accessible in one centralized location. To begin, navigate to the left-hand panel of your Monday.com workspace. You'll see a prominent plus sign icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your workspace, such as a new board or a new item. Go ahead and click on this plus sign to open up your creation options. This action initiates the process of adding new content to your account, so it's an essential first step whenever you're looking to expand your workspace. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a menu will appear. From this menu, look for and select the Template Center option. The Template Center is an incredibly useful feature within Monday.com, offering a vast library of pre-designed boards tailored for different workflows and needs. Using a template saves you significant time and effort compared to building a board from scratch, as it comes pre-configured with relevant columns, groups, and sometimes even automations, allowing you to hit the ground running. Inside the Template Center, you'll find a search bar at the top or near the top of the interface. This is where you can quickly find the exact template you're looking for among the many options available. In our case, since we want to add contacts, simply type the word contacts into the search bar. As you type, the system will dynamically filter the available templates, helping you pinpoint the most relevant options efficiently and swiftly. After typing contacts, you'll see a contacts template appear in the search results. This specific template is specifically designed to manage contact information effectively, usually including predefined columns for important details such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, company names, job titles, and other pertinent communication details. Click on this Contacts template to view its full description and get a preview of its structure before you commit to using it. This allows you to ensure it meets your specific needs. Once you've reviewed the Contacts template and are satisfied with its layout and preset columns, you'll see a button labeled Use Template. Click this button to instantly create a new board in your Monday.com workspace based on this chosen template. This action will generate your new contacts board, complete with preset columns, groups, and perhaps even some example data to guide you on how to input your information. You can then begin populating it with all your important contact details. Remember, you can always customize this board further by adding or removing columns, setting up automations, or integrating it with other boards as your needs evolve. And there you have it. You've successfully added a dedicated contacts board to your Monday.com account. Now you have a centralized place to manage all your important connections, making your workflow smoother and more organized. We hope this tutorial was clear and helpful.